Welcome to Section 6 and the last section of our Snapchat marketing video training. In this section, we will show you 10 do's you should consider for a successful Snapchat marketing venture, 10 don'ts you should avoid for a successful Snapchat marketing venture, premium Snapchat marketing tools and services to consider, and shocking and current Snapchat marketing case studies. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. 10 do's you should consider for a successful Snapchat marketing venture. Be creative and original. Make creative publications about your brand to test ways to interact and see how your public responds to it. Be mysterious. Your public will be curious and will continue watching your constant updates for what you are going to say. You can use coupons or even give them a chance to win a prize for purchasing a product or service. Everyone loves a chance to win something. High-quality content. If you want to be a professional, you should make sure your content is of high quality. Don't waste your followers' time. Give your best effort to teach them about your company. Remember that the idea of Snapchat is to send people to external links to see the terms of service, invite them through coupons, or have posts with websites, so they can learn more about you and what benefits you can offer them. Make your Snapchat interesting. Make your content interesting. Why? If you do, your followers will be watching your publications to find out what's new. You can use interesting or amusing phrases related to your account. The environment of Snapchat is very young and fresh, but also innovative. Using curiosity is also a good strategy. Deliver private content. You can provide special content with Snapchat that is very unique with respect to other social networks. Be original and surprise your followers. Include your fans and make them feel like a part of your company. Remember to look at your views and screenshot stats. Something very important to do as a marketer is to take a look at the screenshots of every one of your snaps that you get from your friends. Keep a record of this so you can learn your audience and engage them every time you post. Update the app from time to time. It is very important to update your Snapchat app because Snapchat is actually making important changes that you might miss if you aren't updating regularly. Make the derp face. People love humor. Try to make as many stupid or funny faces of yourself or of someone else as you can. People love laughing. You don't have to put your face out there if you are representing your business, but you can ask other people to do so for you. Get inspired with social media. I'm pretty sure if you hang out in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc., you can have some really cool ideas to create snaps, but of course, make them in the Snapchat style. Try to be cute, too. Kids, rainbows, sunshine, and let's not forget pets are some nice ideas for cute snaps that people may enjoy too. Have fun. Snapchat is an application to have fun. Don't take it too professionally. Use your brand, but in fun and entertaining ways. Take a look at the brands in the Discover screen. You'll notice they create snaps of live and fun situations.